Guys, today I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Google Wallet app. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here into the found apps, click on it. Come to apps list and there you're looking for Google Wallet app or just click on search. Add here Google Wallet. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to this list here, then you click on for stop, click on OK, then you go down, click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, so you go to your Play Store, you click here on your Play Store here. So then here you search for Google Wallet app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.